Hello, my name is Simarjit Kaur and here is my student ID number. My student ID number is 8000276663. Today I would like to talk about very interesting topic. The topic is Facebook using business communication. So let's start with my presentation with the introduction. So my first slide represent the introduction. Introduction represent the communication. Communication is build a strong relationship between the audience and the reader, and it seeks to convey a message to which will be helping the reader. And basically communication is divided into the main two techniques. So move on to the another slide. My another slide represent the appearances of exemplary business communication. Business communication represent the to the point and which helpful to understand the main point of the topic. And the another one is evidence. That evidence is spotted to data and real examples. These 3 points represent the appearances of exemplary business communication. Now I explain the third question from my presentation, that is effective characteristics. So three main characteristics. First is make an analysis. The second one is straightforward, and the last one is documentation, that is recorded for our future references. All characteristics is important for the business communication and represent the Facebook using in the business communication. And the fourth question from my presentation represent the how Facebook affect the business communication, that is through the developing relationship and develop interest. Develop in a relationship is a effort free or uses a good format style, and the develop interest is exemplary, it makes an audience curious. And now use business presentation skills, that is mentoring, learning and pitch ideas. That all parts includes how business uses in the environmental presentation skills. And from the second last slide from a PowerPoint, that is the technology. How technology improve business communication through video conferencing and web uses. With the help of both, technology is improved in the business communication. And the last slide. Finally, I conclude that my presentation that communication is build a strong relationship between the audience and the reader, create a long-term relationship between the audience and the reader, and presentation is much better than the slides and present verbally in front of the audience. Thank you.